I'm here at Food Masti 108, a beautiful restaurant in Karama for a special Loki's
Masterclass!
The best thing about Loki's Masterclass is that it brings so many foodies together. It was so heartwarming to meet all my winners. At Food Masti 108, I made lotus stem chaat. जी हाँ, वो कमल ककड़ी जो हम बचपन में नहीं खाते थे. I gave it a makeover by infusing it with some interesting Chinese flavors.
So I love Sham Savera in Food Masti 108. It's a win-win situation when your kid loves it too.
Loki, I loved your lotus stem chaat today, and my mother's coming and I'm definitely making it for her.
We are coming back here on Wednesday for a live concert.
Can't believe she came all the way from Ras Al Khaimah, by the way.
And we are coming back for sure.
The weather is so pleasant these days, so make sure that you indulge at their chaat corner and enjoy some of their interesting mocktails. Cooking at Food Masti 108 was so much fun. In fact, it's the month of love, and they have special dishes like Love Bite Pizza and Heartbeat Dosas for Valentine's Day. So if you're planning to go out and celebrate love, make sure that Food Masti 108 is your only choice. The variety is amazing, the vibe is fabulous, and the location is just perfect. You have to try Food Masti 108 in Karama.